Hello. This is a $1 million question and I will give you my take on it. The biggest mistake a manager can make is to think that everyone in the company thinks the same way and is motivated by the same thing. This is simply not true. Whenever I facilitate a workshop or work with a coaching client, I ask a simple question. Why do you come to work every day besides the obvious? It gives me a good indication how people think and what's important to them. Now, what are your options to get people to do what you want them to do? Number 1, manipulation. You can manipulate people, which is very common these days. Great manipulators know how to access people's mental and emotional sides to get what they want. A few examples could be guilt, complaining, comparing, lying, or threatening. Really, who wants to be manipulated? Number 2, motivation. The carrot and stick method is very well known and has been used throughout the industrial age up until now. Carrot. If you continue to do such a great job, I will pay you more money. Stick. If you make another mistake, you are fired. Unfortunately, neither the carrot nor the stick have a long-lasting effect on helping you to get the results you want. Number 3, inspiration. This word comes from the Latin word inspirare and means breathing life into someone. You can do this by being a positive role model. We feel inspired when somebody sees us, accepts us and values us, when we feel accepted for what we are and acknowledged for what we have done. How awesome would it be if people did what you want them to do, not because they have to, but because they want to? It is easier than you think. This was my thought for today, and I will see you next week again. Until then, be happy, be healthy, and be at your best.